Let's take a quick look at discussions. This is the central point of written communications for your group. So select discussions inside navigation. You have a nice little search area here. This is the 3 channels. Right now we've defaulted on the group channel. This is where everybody can all talk to each other openly within the group. In the private channel is where you have discussions back and forth between 2 people privately. The meeting channel is where you would have discussions that have taken place during a meeting. So in this group channel, you can see I have one new message that I've not seen before. I'll go ahead and select this particular discussion. And then there's the last communication. I'm going to go ahead and post something so you can see. I have the opportunity to add emoticons. I can also send an email attached with this so others will receive it. Go ahead and add the comment. And also, if I want to, I can tag people. So I type in @. It'll pull down a list of the other members in the group. I can select this person and then add something in there. So watch what happens. So I'll go ahead and add comment. And so that person's been tagged. What will happen is it'll send an email just specifically to that person. If you want to create a new discussion, you do that here. So I'll go ahead and add a discussion, and I'll just go ahead and call it new, just so that we all can see how it works. And I'll put some sort of text in there. So let's go ahead and create the new discussion. So you can see within the group channel, I've created a new discussion here. So that gives you an overview of discussions.